We are done, and spring has officially sprung over here at 1710 Dover Street.
Yes, we have a fully renovated home that we would love to show you. So come on in, take a peek.
Right as you walk into the home, we have a beautiful, detailed, and super functional space right as you enter.
This home is 4 beds, 3 full baths. We have opened this area up here to make all this light come in, all the natural light, the white and bright. I think words to describe this home would be chic, would be modern, would be airy. So yeah, so in here, we tore down this wall here for the kitchen area. This home is 2,240 square feet, so it's a lot of house to cover. We did add in an island here to kind of balance out this room in the kitchen. It's such a beautiful open area now, so nice and bright again.
We have these beautiful quartz countertops that also go up along the backsplash of the home.
I think that really adds a real modern touch to the home. Although we did leave some characters of the 70s here, we did bring it into the modern century by adding these details and touches to it as well.
This space here is one of my favorite parts of the whole entire house. This is really a plant lover's dream with all the natural light that comes in. We have this super functional pantry here. We also have this beautiful accent wall and the wood burning fireplace, which is one of my favorite parts of this entire house.
Yes, so this room, we really captured the natural light in here, these big windows. We pushed a wall back, so it really opens this room up and makes it highly functional. And I really love this picture window here. You can just sit out here, all the natural light, and you can see the large corner lot this home sets on.
We also have a 2-car detached garage with super easy access to get to, and it also comes with its own little hobby room in the back.
Or that could very easily be an office that's away from the home. You've got your own little sidewalk path and goes right into the little office or hobby room that is separate from the garage, so very functional. And also in this room, you have your own entrance.
Why don't we go show them the primary suites?
Let's do it.
Here is one of our 2 primary suites. In here we put fresh carpet, as well as a brand new slab of paint. And really all the main work was done here in the bathroom. So let's come in here.
And in here we have this gorgeous standalone tub. Can you imagine some soak time in here? I love this part of the bathroom. Not to mention the tile flooring. We also went up the wall here a little bit with that. Got this gorgeous vanity.
We also have this beautiful tile shower with its own little built-in little caddy here.
Nice and bright in here, all the natural light and nice LEDs too, so making getting ready very easy or relaxing very easy. This is the other primary suite that we have. This room is nice and large, nice bright LED lights, ceiling fan. We painted ceiling walls, trim, put in new carpet, but all the renovations took place in this own bathroom. So we did tile flooring in here and this gorgeous tile shower, nice and large in here.
So here, before we did all these renovations, there used to be a wall that had this tiniest little opening to get into the shower. So we really wanted to open up this space by tearing this down, putting in the new tile, the new little built-in with the gold fixtures. This is a overhaul for sure.
And we have 2 additional bedrooms on this end of the home, and they also have another bathroom that they can share in the hallway or for your guest room as well.
Whether you are grilling or chilling, this right here is a place to be.
Yes, fully fenced in backyard. These big, beautiful, mature trees give you lots of shade in the summer and the fall. This backyard is private and is absolutely beautiful. Thanks for taking a tour with us. If you would like some more info on this home, you can call me, Shawan Weathers, at 615-596-6531.
Or you can give me a call, Gracie Burton, at 615-753-3396.